chicken, around 3 pieces, 1 teaspoon of butter, and around 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to add the mayo to the chicken. Mix my chicken with the mayo. Now let me add salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to put the mayo and chicken thing onto my slice of bread. Put the chicken on the bread. Now I'll just close it and put some butter into our griller. Is it a griller? Yeah. I'll just put it. It's hot. Okay, right. Okay. And I'll put bread. Put the remaining butter on top of the bread. I finished putting butter on both sides of the bread. Now I'm going to close it. While we wait for it to be toasted, make sure you like and subscribe to this video. The light has become green. Now let me open it. Now let me taste it. Oh, wow.